Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all this gorgeous blunt bob style wig that I decided to wear during Fashion Week. And let me tell you all, this wig is a showstopper. But just to make sure that I do have its name and its specs and everything else correctly, I'm going to read it to you from its packaging. So I'm rocking the Vella Vella collection. The style name is called Tina. She's curl iron safe, she's flat iron safe up to 375 degrees. The color that you are seeing is called Fire Red, and the name speaks for itself. This is what the packaging looks like. This is the model that is on the packaging, and this is Miss Fire Red Tina when you whip her out of its packaging. And let me tell you, this wig is a showstopper. I mean, I kid y'all not. I was blessed with an opportunity to attend a Fashion Week event, and I decided to wear this wig, and let me tell y'all, a lot of compliment. When I say a lot of people was like, and not in no bad way, okay, this wig was the center of the event attention, okay? Yeah, it really was. Let me tell you some more about the wig first, and then I'll tell you about the event. Okay, the hair texture is a little on the yaki-ish side. I don't want to quite say a full yaki, but it does have some kind of texture to it. Now on the card, they do say it's curl iron safe, you know, flat iron safe up to 375 degrees. I don't know if that's true. I don't plan on flat ironing nor curling this hair, so I can't speak if that's true to how much heat it can hold. But the style is everything. It's a blunt cut bob, and I'm loving the bangs that is on this bob right here. You can wear the bangs low to mimic like a Chinese style bang, or if you want your eyebrows to be more pronounced, you can pull the wig back a little bit and then you can show your eyebrows. Personally, I like the wig just the way it is. This wig is everything. You're gonna hear me say that like a million times in this video. So anyhow, it's you know, it's giving off the Chinese bang feel, and like I said, it has a blunt cut. So the lighting is changing and fluctuating in this video. I apologize about that. I'm recording this in natural daylight, and Mother Nature is just doing the absolute most, but I'm gonna keep it going. So anyhow, blunt cut, this is what it's looking like from the front, the side, and the front. And like I said, this is Miss Fire Red Tina, and she's absolutely gorgeous. Now, if red is not for you, and red is not something that you could see yourself doing, this wig do come in a few other colors. That's for your own comfort level. I love this red here because it pops, you know. And when I got to the event that I was invited to during Fashion Week, oh my gosh, when I got there, it was amazing. And plus, I was also blessed with an amazing opportunity to actually walk for a designer that was showcasing at the event. So I just want to quickly share a recap of that video with y'all.
Don't act like you forgot. I'm gonna shut. Like blah, blah, blah. Pay me what you wanted. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money.
And here she is, Miss Glam Addict, getting ready to slay the runway.
We gotta clear the runway, clear the aisle so that they can get through.
Coming.
Because if they can't get through, they cannot slay. So please clear out the sweaters. Yes, yes. Here's our next slayer, slayer number 4, with a beautiful glances. Girl, you better work.
So dolls, you got a chance to see the event. The event was absolutely amazing, and as I said to you dolls before, if the red is too bright or not your color, the wig do come in quite a few other options for you to choose from. But on that note, this pretty much just concluded the video because Miss Fire Red Tina, she got me feeling festive. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed to Miss MzGlamourAddict YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and join in on an amazing official glam doll community. Also keep in mind, I am on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, and I'm on Twitter with more beauty alerts and fab beauty on a budget finds. And I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.